Chapter number 4, Animal Kingdom. Chondriocytes and osteocytes. What difference means chondriocytes and osteocytes? Means, for example, this is a one type of hand. Clear? This is a knee. Clear? For this side, for this is a for hand. Means this side, first and second side, it is a chondriocytes. Chondriocytes. This is a chondriocytes. And this region, middle region, strong bone. This is a osteocytes. Clear? It includes both marine and freshwater. Marine and freshwaters. This is a fishes with bony endoskeleton. Clear? Bony endoskeleton means these fishes most probably found in marine and freshwater. Their body are streamlined. This body are streamlined. Clear? Mouth is mostly terminal. This is a mouth. This is a mouth. This is a terminal side. This side is a terminal. They have 4 pairs of gills. They have 4 pairs of gills. Clear? 4 pairs, only 4. This is a osteocytes, which are covered by operculum. Which are covered by operculum on each side. This side. Skin is covered with cycloid and stenoid scale. Skin are covered with cycloid and this is a stenoid scales. Air bladder is present which regulates present for buoyancy. Buoyancy means this is a only for air bladder, function of air bladder. This is a buoyancy. Clear? This is a buoyancy. Heart is divided by 2 chambers. One is auricle and one is ventricle. They are cold-blooded animals, most probably cold-blooded animals. This is a cold-blooded animals. These cold-blooded animals. This is a cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separate, male, female, and fertilization is usually only for external and internal. External means outside the body. They are mostly oviparous. Development is direct. Oviparous and development is direct. Clear? Meaning for egg embryo. Example of osteocytes. First, marine exocoitus. This is a flying fish. Most time be question, what is flying fish marine? For osteocytes class, this is a exocoitus. Second, seahorse. This is a seahorse means hippocampus. Seahorse. Third, labue. Labue means, what is labue? Labue means it is a one type of fish for rohu, in most probably found in freshwater. Cutla, magar or mingler. Clear? It is a claris. And this for betla. Clear? Betla means this is a fighting fish and Petriophyllum is an angelfish. For example of most IMP, this is a it is a mrungal for claris. Most IMP question. Clear? In this osteocytes, for air bladder is present for regulars for buoyancy. Heart chamber is divided by 2. And third points, most probably fish found in marine and freshwater. And outer layer gills for 4 pairs of gills covered with operculum. An example of marine exocoitus for flying fish and hippocampus seahorse. Freshwater most probably this is a labute means rohu, katla, mrugal, and fighting fish, betla, angel fish, petrio, phylum. Clear? Thank you, student.